Hey, George here from Rodros Outdoors. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to go fishing at Royal Retreat Lake. I've been there a couple of times, but I've never really caught too many fish there, but we're going to try our luck today. It's about 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning, and it's about 31 degrees. We're going to try to do some trout fishing and do some carp fishing. I got the family here. I got my son Alejandro, who's pretending to go to sleep. And I got Sebastian there in the back, and the beautiful wife right here. So stay tuned. Hope we catch something. Hey guys, just arrived at the Royal Retreat Lake and Trout Pond. Behind me over here they have the lake. It's a small little lake. It's been raining for the last couple days, so it's a little murky and high. And over here on the other side we got the trout pond, stocked with rainbows and brown trout. So I'm gonna get all set up and get back to you guys and see what we catch. Alright guys, we're all set up here. We're fishing the trout pond and the lake. Right now I got a couple setups over here with some rod holders. I got one over there. That one's got some earthworms, night crawlers. This one's got some corn. This one's got some shad. See what wants to bite. I chummed up the water with some mixture. It's a mix between breadcrumbs, garbanzo beans, corn, jello, and a little bit of water. Makes it a nice little pack bait. I got that out there too. And on the other side of the lake, I got two big setup rods. See if we can catch a carp. I got some shad on that with some pack bait. And I got my little bait alarms on there. I got one right here and one over there. So I'll get back with you guys as soon as one of the rods bend. Hey guys, I'm back. So far we've been fishing for about an hour and a half. We haven't caught anything. We're gonna move spots around the other side of the lake, see if we get any luck over there. So get back to you. Alright guys, we're in a new spot right now. I actually had a guy tell me that there's some channel catfish on this side. So I'm throwing some shad and some pack bait with corn. So I got my setup over here. There's rod number 1, rod number 2. I got a couple more in that trail back there. There's a couple spots over there. I got some rods with alarms over there. So I'll get back to you as soon as I catch something. Well guys, I'm back. So far the day has been a complete bust. We've been fishing for about, I'd say 4 or 5 hours, moving different spots, going to different parts of the lake, and nothing. I went on this little flat area right here and see if we get any better luck here. I literally got probably like 10, 12 rods sitting out. I'm gonna show you real quick. So I got, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rods completely out in the water right now. And what I'm using for baits, let me show you guys. I'm using night crawlers. I'm using some pack bait. This is our garbanzo beans, corn, breadcrumbs, jello, and if you hear noise, that's the geese back there in the background. And I got a can of corn, and I'm using shad. So stay tuned and see if we can finally get a bite and not finish the day with no fish. Alright guys, we moved again. This time we're on a floating dock that has rod holders and everything for us. I got all the rods set up. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rods set up this time. Different types of bait. Try to see if we get lucky and catch something before we have to head home, because we've been fishing at it for about 6.5, 7 hours now, and it's still not even a bluegill. Hopefully we get lucky over here. Alright guys, I think we're at it at the end. We've been fishing for several hours and hours and we haven't gotten a bite. It's just one of those days where the fish does not want to eat. I don't know if it's because it's been raining and the water's pretty high and murky, but we're just gonna pack it up and call it a day. Sorry I couldn't get you guys some action today, but maybe on the next one. I think the next video we're gonna do is going to Ravens Cliff and catch some rainbow trouts and brown trouts. They stocked it a lot, so you should be able to catch something there. Don't forget to like my video and
subscribe.